there, probably about 300 metres down there in the gully.
How you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and today we've just been doing some track clearing. I got asked from Anthony from the A4 Anson Memorial Track Clearing guys. They've been up here maintaining this area up here. So today I've been up here. You'll see some footage of us clearing the track on the way through, getting all the trees and all that off, and clearing the actual memorial itself. Anthony did hear that there'd been a tree that had come down close to it, the memorial. So just happy to be along. Great part of history up here. It's not too far from Eildon. The drive up here is quite easy. Just follow the Barnwell Plain Road and you'll see this car park where I'm just parked in now. It's a short 2.5 kilometre walk up to the memorial. It is marked on a few maps. You just do a bit of a search, you'll come across the history of the area there. But yeah, definitely well worth checking out if you're in the area. Well, and there we go.
You got big landing struts, heaps of like frame. We come out with a metal detector. We were pulling out like little badges. A couple of guys before us found tunic buttons, like RAAF tunic buttons. Like the debris field, like the plane made out of aluminium and timber, hitting this wood, it's just gone absolutely obliterated. But as I was saying, that engine that's there, probably about 300 metres down there in the gully. We had a big winching operation down the bottom with about 4 vehicles, probably about 300 metres worth of chains, straps, ropes, pulley blocks. Built a sled for the motor because we wanted to protect it. And bit by bit, we pulled it sideways along the spur of the mountain. There's a big tree down that we couldn't. So as they were winching, we had two guys on the sled yakking over the radio. When they were pulling it, we leant back on it, got the sled right up and launched it over the top of the tree and got it down, and no problem. Then we ran out of straps probably about 50 metres down here. We concealed it with bark, fernery, everything, left it, come back about 3 months later and finished the job off with a bobcat, and honked it up in the bucket, stuck it there. Next trip we knocked up that frame. The mount that it's on is actually off an Airspeed Oxford, which is fundamentally the same as an Anson. It was a trainer-based aircraft, but the engine mounting is a little bit shorter than an Anson one because the Anson one's longer because the landing gear attracts into it. But anyway, A4 Liberator Group in Werribee, they donated that mount that it's sitting on, and we custom made that frame and augured some holes in it. It's probably about 800 deep into the ground and cemented in. It's been standing there now for about 2.5 years, so I reckon it complements the site really well. And the one to the left there, that's a auxiliary fuel tank out of it. That's a bit of wreckage from the site. But we did talk about opening up the area, like maybe putting in a little track up to the crash site, but it's a very sensitive area. It's 4 people died up here.
Some things are best left.
Absolutely. So, it's a real special place.
Right, so I'm just going to wrap the trip up here on the banks of the Goulburn River. I had an absolutely awesome day today out with David, Anthony and Steve. We're doing track clearing to the War Memorial where 4 pilots tragically lost their lives in a plane crash back in the 1940s. So we're up there today just doing a bit of maintenance up there, just making sure everything was okay after all the recent winds and things. So we cleared, I think it was about 18 to 20 trees in the end on the way up, and cleared up around the memorial as well. So thanks heaps for watching. Now if you have not been up there, do head up there and check it out. We could see across to Mount Buller from up there, and it was all snow across the top. Absolutely spectacular scenery. So thanks heaps for watching. If you have liked what you've seen, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will hopefully see you soon on another one of my trips.